the kids a chance. It's about giving them a chance to initially just to follow their dreams. Whether it be in music, art, drama, dance, whatever they want to do, we try to cater for them. We just want them to have the same chances that children whose parents have money or from better off areas have.
This group of women, of mums, they were all so motivated, and they could see in such a short time the differences that education has made to them, to themselves, their families. They've enjoyed the courses that they've done, and they've moved on very quickly, and they've put it into practice in their community and have passed it on to others.
If we can just, reach out to a few of these and give them that self-belief in themselves and, give them pride in themselves, then they'll go on to better things. And if they go on to better things, then I'm happy.
So Caleb was first diagnosed August 2010 as profoundly deaf. So we looked at local courses available, and there was a level 1 British Sign Language course going here at the Life Station.
Well, because Caleb is our grandson, we both decided to sign up with Leanne and come over to sign language every Thursday evening.
When he was first diagnosed, it felt like the end of the world. Now we've got the proper means of communication with him. I think the world's his oyster now. I think he can do anything that he wants to do.
I've really enjoyed family learning with my daughter. It's not only built her confidence up, it's helped build mine up as well. I've learnt how to make learning fun, to get my daughter really interested in learning her sounds and numbers. So now when I'm doing her homework, I can relate more and help her more. And also that it helps spend that quality time that sometimes you can't get the time at home to do.
I returned back to learning because my boy had got into full-time school and I was stuck in the house not doing nothing. When I was younger, I didn't continue with school. I want him to stay in school now and encourage him, and he is watching my every move. So when he's seeing me do my homework, he sat there with his reading book, which is good to see.
Bethany was about 4 and I realised I needed to go to classes for her sake as well as my own. I had dyslexia and I didn't want her going through what I went through, not being able to read, so I wanted to learn for her.
She's really good at math and she won't try to read. I'm helping her.
I'm happy because it proves to people that you can go back to family learning and learn. There's no such thing as can't anymore.
Mum, you're really good at reading.